It legitimately sounds like my boat is taking a leak. I'm not happy right now, guys. I am not happy at all. I am praying for the best, but this does not sound good. Oh my god. What time is it right now? Like 1 in the morning. I have 8 hours to wait, 7 hours. Oh my gosh. Oh no. What are you thinking, kitty? Hey guys, so I finally got my haul out. Well, it's in the process behind me, but stay tuned for a little bit more. We're finally gonna figure out exactly what's going on, and yeah, all right, we'll figure it out. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, I'm thinking that this is best case scenario because here's the thing. The shaft is straight. It just got pulled back because of the rope. The rope forced it back. This could be an easy fix.
Found your line, buddy.
Yeah, there she blows. That is crazy, man. All that because of a rope. And that's where all my water was coming in, right there. Look at that. My Jesus. Propeller's in good shape. It looks like the shaft's still straight. That's good news. Right here, this where the stag goes on though, it's kind of ripped out.
Yeah.
Right there. All the way around. Okay, the Octopus 1 is out of the water and she is bilging. She is bilging. She is a beautiful boat. Full keel. Oh man, she is my baby. Time to give her some love.